Hello students,
वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. मी ऋतुजा लावरे महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्मान्य सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आत्ता सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 6 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 1 नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस एअर वॉटर अँड लँड टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर्स. तर चला सुरुवात करूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे फिल इन द ब्लँक्स अँड रीराईट द कम्प्लिटेड स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके, त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आहे द लेअर ऑफ ओझोन गॅस ॲब्सॉर्ब डॅश डॅश रेज दॅट कम फ्रॉम द सन टू द अर्थ. आन्सर इज अल्ट्रावायोलेट मीन्स UV रेज. देन नेक्स्ट B. Of the total water available on the earth, fresh water forms dash dash percent. Answer is 0.3%. C. Both dash dash and dash dash constituents are present in the soil. Answer is biotic and abiotic. Okay. Next is question number 2. Why is it said that A. The ozone layer is a protective shell of the earth. Answer is the ultraviolet means UV rays coming from the sun are very harmful for living things. The ozone layer present in the lower stratosphere absorb these UV rays and prevent them from reaching the earth. As a result, life on the earth is protected. Therefore, it is said that the ozone layer is a protective shell of the earth. Then next, second, water is a life. Answer, water is a good solvent and it dissolves many substances. The human blood is made of 70% water and the sap of plant also contain a very high proportion of water. All the life processes will not take place in the absence of water. Hence, without water, no living organisms can survive. Therefore, it is said that water is alive. Then next C. Seawater is useful even though it is not potable. Or in what way seawater is useful even though it is salty? Answer is many fishes and aquatic animals live in a seawater. The water from the sea evaporates to form clouds which brings rain. The seawater also helps the land to cool due to the breezes. The salt and minerals are also obtained from seawater. Corals and pearls are obtained from sea animals. Thus, seawater is useful even though it is not potable. Question number 3. What will happen if first आहे त्यामध्ये A. Microbes in soil get destroyed. जर सॉइल मधले मायक्रोब्स हे डिस्ट्रॉयड झाले तर काय होईल? Then answer is microbes in the soil decompose dead plants and animals and convert it into humus. This humus supplies nutrients to the soil. Humus also aerates soil and holds water in it. It makes the soil more fertile. If microbes are destroyed, humus will not be formed and the soil will not become fertile, making it unsuitable for growth of plants. Also, dead and decaying matter will accumulate on land. Then next B. The number of vehicles and factories in your surroundings increases. Then what will happen? Answer is vehicle and factories are the major cause of air pollution. They release harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide into the air. These pollutants are harmful to the environment and to the people living in the surrounding area. Hence, if the number of vehicles and factories in our surroundings increases, the air pollution will also increase. Then next C. The total supply of potable water is finished. Then what will happen? Answer is the water plays very important role in the survival of living organisms. All living things are dependent on water. A very small quantity of water is potable and can be used for drinking. All bodily functions are regulated by water. Therefore, if total supply of potable water is finished, plants and animals will not survive and there will be no life on the earth. Next question is match the following. This is our question. Answer is first carbon dioxide. Answer is plants and food production. Second, oxygen. Answer is combustion. Third, water vapor. Answer is rain. 4, microbes. Answer is generation of soil. Question number 5. Name the following. A. Constituents of biosphere. Answer is atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and all living things on the earth. B. Biotic constituents of soil. Answer is microbes, worms, insects, burrowing rodents like rats, mice, roots of the trees and plants. C. Fossil fuel. Answer is crude oil from which we get kerosene, petrol, diesel, paraffin, wax and tar. D. Inert gases in air. Answer is neon, argon, helium, krypton and xenon. E. Gases that are harmful to ozone layer. Answer is chlorofluorocarbon and carbon tetrachloride. Question number 6. True or false? A. Land and soil is the same thing. Answer false. Land consists of stones, soil and big rocks. B. The water in a lake is called as groundwater. Answer false. Water trapped below the ground over the bedrocks is called as groundwater. C. It takes about thousands years to form 25 cm thick layer of soil. Answer false. It almost takes around 1000 years to form a 2.5 cm thick layer of soil. D. Radon is used in decorative lights. Answer false. Neon is used in decorative lights. Then our question number 7 is answer in your own words. त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आहे A. Explain with the help of diagram how soil is formed. Answer is the soil on the land is formed by a natural process. The abiotic components of soil are supplied through the weathering of the bedrock. Due to heat, cold, wind and rain, the bedrock breaks down into pieces.
Thank you students for more watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.
Stones, sand and soil are formed from these pieces. First, microbes, worms, insects, rodents and roots of trees growing on a land help in weathering of rocks. Then there is a formation of soil. You can see there is abiotic components, there is biotic components. In abiotic constituents, there are wind, rain, heat and cold, and in biotic constituents there are microbes, rodents, roots and plants, bedrock, then stones, sand and then soil. This process is a slow, continuous and it takes thousands years to form 2.5 cm thick layer of mature soil. Then B. Why is there a shortage of water even though it occupies about 71% of water of the earth's surface? Answer is 71% of earth's surface is covered with the water, of which 97% is salty water present in seas and oceans and 2.7% water is available as a groundwater, ice and in other forms. Only 0.3% water is available as a fresh water which can be used for drinking. All the living organisms require water to drink. The water is used in the industry and also for farming. Due to increasing population and uncontrolled usage, we experience shortage of water.
Today we are starting with the question and answer.
Then see what are the various constituents of air. Write their uses. Answer. Air contains gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, inert gases, water vapor and dust particles. The uses of constituents of air are as follows. Then you can see gases. There is a nitrogen. Nitrogen proportion in atmosphere is 78%. Uses. Helps in building necessary proteins, in production of ammonia, airtight packaging of foodstuff. Second is oxygen. Proportion in atmosphere is 21%. Uses is used in combustion, necessary for respiration. Third, carbon dioxide. Proportion is 0.03%. Uses used in a fire extinguishers, used in a plant food preparation. Then next, inert gases like argon, helium, neon, krypton and xenon. These are the inert gases. Proportion is 0.9% and uses is electric bulb used in airship, street light, fluorescence tubes, flash photography. Then E, other constituents like dust, water, vapor, etc. Proportion is 0.7%. Uses used in formation of a cloud, fog, dew, etc. Spread sunlight in all directions. D. Why are air, water and land considered to be valuable natural resources? Answer is, the various components of air help and support the growth of living organisms. Nitrogen is used to make a proteins, oxygen is used for respiration and carbon dioxide is used to make a food by plant. Similarly, land supports growth of terrestrial plants and animals. It provides important minerals to the plant and also to human beings. It is the shelter for worms, insects and rodents and support their growth. Plant also cannot survive without land. Water is necessary for carrying out all life processes in the living organisms, and without water there will be no life on earth. Hence, land, air and water are considered valuable natural resources. तर अशा प्रकारे आपला इथे स्टँडर्ड 6चा चॅप्टर नंबर 1 नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस एअर वॉटर अँड लँड याचे क्वेश्चन आणि आन्सर संपलेले आहे. तर पुढच्याही चॅप्टरचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर लवकरच चॅनलवर अवेलेबल होतील. तोपर्यंत नवनवीन व्हिडिओज बघत चला. लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू सो मच.